Hello guys, welcome to my channel Ben Unique. This is Ben Johnson here with my new series Health and Beauty. So guys, if you are watching me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, click the like button below, and please don't forget to share with your friends. Friends, in today's video, once again I have come with a powerful folk natural medicine which helps to cure cough, cold, throat infections, dry cough, allergy, food poison, gastric, and even helpful for fever and ulcers. This medicine is effective in just one day, and also it's very easy to prepare. All the ingredients are easily available in local markets and grocery shops. Ingredients: cumin or jeera 1 small tablespoon, black pepper या काली मिर्ची या मीरे 10 to 12 pieces, ajwain या bishop's weed या wowo half small tablespoon, licorice, sweetwood या मुलेटी या मीठी लकड़ी या गोडकस्ट या यष्टि मद्दू 1 medium piece, garlic या लहसुन 3 pieces, ginger या अदरक 1 medium piece, lemon 1, हल्दी या turmeric 1 pinch, cloves 2, jaggery या gourd for sweetness. So let's start preparing, friends. Take a frying pan, add cumin, black pepper, ajwain and cloves. On low flame, fry it for few seconds. Be careful not to burn it. Now I am adding this mixture in a traditional grinder. Make fine powder of it by crushing. It is important to make powder by crushing instead of making it from electric blade grinder. Now take a bowl, add 2.5 glass water and let it come to boil. Now the water is boiling, add the powder of cumin, black pepper, ajwain and cloves into it. Add a pinch of haldi. Now crush sweetwood and add to water. मीठी लकड़ी, sweetwood. Crush ginger and add. Crush garlic and add. Lemon. Remove seeds and squeeze 1 lemon into boiling water. Also add the lemon skin in the water. Leave the water to boil on high flame. For desired sweetness, add jaggery. Now the water is boiling. All the medicinal values of ingredients gets mixed in water. Now the water is escaping as vapors, it's evaporating. Slowly the water quantity reduces. When the water quantity in the bowl reduces from 2.5 cups to 2 cups, turn off the heat. Or if you need much stronger medicine, let the water reduce to 1.5 cups. Now turn off the heat, strain and store in a container. in a small cup. Drink this medicine 3 times a day. It's best when you drink while it's hot. This medicine stays good for 3 to 4 days if you heat it daily. This medicine shows effect in just 1 day and fights cough, cold, allergy, gastric and even fever and ulcers. So friends, if you like this video, click like button below, share with your friends, your sisters, your brothers, your uncle, aunties, your parents and help them. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye friends. Thank you. See you in next video. Always be smiling and always be kind. Take care.